In the turquoise waters off the coast of Jamaica lived Ely, a merman with scales that glimmered like the Caribbean sun. Ely was half man, half fish, and although he was a creature of beauty and magic, he felt a profound sadness deep within his heart. For years, he roamed the coral reefs and underwater caves, watching the joyous humans frolic on the shores, filled with laughter and love, something he longed for yet could not attain. One fateful afternoon, as the golden sun dipped towards the horizon, Ely watched from beneath the cool embrace of the water as a girl approached the riverbank. Her name was Gloria, a radiant 20-year-old with a smile that could rival the brightest stars. She came to fetch fresh water, her laughter mingling with the gentle rustle of the leaves. As she stepped closer to the river, she caught a glimpse of Ely's shimmering tail gliding through the water. A gasp escaped her lips, and fear flickered in her eyes. "Please, don't be afraid," Ely called softly, his voice like the gentle lapping of waves. Though startled, Gloria found herself entranced by his kind eyes, which sparkled like the sea. They began to converse, sharing stories of their lives, hers filled with sweet dreams and his haunted by loneliness. As the sun set and painted the sky in hues of orange and pink, a bond formed between them, weaving a tapestry of trust and affection. "I never thought I would find friendly person in deep waters like you," Gloria admitted, a blush warming her cheeks. Ely's heart soared as he felt a glimmer of hope for the first time. He confessed his deepest longing to be part of the world above, to experience laughter, dance, and love and kindness. Moved by his sincerity, Gloria leaned closer and, with a gentle touch, kissed Ely softly on his forehead. In that moment, magic swirled around them. Ely's tail shimmered and dissolved into legs, and he transformed into a full human, a man who could walk alongside the enchanting beauty of the girl he had come to adore. Overjoyed, they spent days exploring the vibrant shores, dancing under the moonlight, and breathing in the salty breeze. Ely and Gloria's love blossomed, transcending the boundary that had once kept them apart. They laughed and danced, creating memories that would last a lifetime. And so, in the heart of Jamaica, surrounded by the beauty of nature and the warmth of their love, Ely and Gloria lived happily ever after, a merman turned man, and the girl who taught him that love knows no bounds.